Hey guys, I'm Emma Ryan, Integrative Nutrition Health Coach and founder and owner of Plant. Today we're going to go into another one of my favorite superfoods that you guys have probably seen in some of the recipes that we've been sharing. But first I want to go into a little bit more detail on why we might consume superfoods or why they're important, things like that. So first of all, I want you to know that I fully believe we can get all of our nutritions from our food. I fully believe that everything you need you can consume through plant-based foods or whole grains, things that grow, things like that. However, I also really believe in the power of superfoods. I think that there is a time and a place to incorporate them into our diets and that they can really help boost or elevate the nutritional value of our meals. So for those of you who might just be feeling really overwhelmed with where to start, what supplements are important, or which ones to start with, that's why we're talking about chlorella. This is a really great superfood to start off with right off the bat. Chlorella is a green algae. It has 10% chlorophyll in it. So if you guys have ever seen liquid chlorophyll, or if you've ever had one of our smoothies at Plant, that some of them have liquid chlorophyll in them, this already consumes chlorophyll. It also has most of your fatty acids. It has really bioavailable protein, so really good protein source. It'll actually help your body absorb protein throughout the day. So this is a great option for some of the first-time vegans or first-time vegetarians out there. But along with those things, it'll also help your body detox from heavy metals. So it's a great, great superfood to be incorporating. I don't know how well you can see this. It looks like a big black hole, but it's a really dark green superfood. If you've seen my smoothie packs video or my energy bite video, we've used chlorella in those. And so this is, again, a really great place to start if you're not sure which superfood or which supplement is right for you. You can start here and then go from there. If you're wondering how to use this in your diet, you can add it to energy bites, smoothies. You could stir it up in oatmeal or maybe a yogurt, something like that. You could stir it up in just some water or almond milk. I don't know how great it would taste, but you're more than welcome to try it that way as well. I would start with a 1/4 teaspoon a day and work your way up. The flavor is really powerful and the nutritional value of it is really, really powerful. So you won't need a whole lot. We retail these at both of our Plant locations. You can also get them online through us or through a different distributor. So like I said, this is a great product to start with if this is your first superfood or supplement to go for. Like I said, add it to a smoothie, energy bites, something along those lines. But be sure to let us know if you learned something today or what you'd like to learn more of. If there's another superfood or supplement out there that you want us to teach on, let us know. Shoot us an email to community@eatatplant.com. Be sure to subscribe, comment below, and I'll see you next time.